Welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate QR code for your Wi-Fi. Usually we do have it for different kind of applications. Maybe you want to use it for your website. Maybe you want to generate the code for a URL, or you want to store in a text, or you store in any information that you want your scanners to have access to. It's very easy nowadays to do the same for your Wi-Fi, so you don't have to consistently be giving passwords to your friends, to your family, to your students. They can always scan the code and then they will have access to the website. So to start with, there are a bunch of ways in which you can generate this QR code. You can just come to the Google and just type Wi-Fi QR code generator, and it will directly show you a number of websites where you can generate this kind of code for yourself. But the most trusted or the most useful ones that I have found recently are the qr/code/generator.com, which you can generate your code easily, and it's free. You don't even have to sign up to have access to it. So all you need to do is to specify what kind of code are you looking for, because there are a bunch of them. You want to store a URL, you want to store a vCard, you want to store a text or an email or anything, or SMS or anything, you can do that. But for our own case, we go for Wi-Fi here, which we have selected, and it's the one up here. So you have the option to name the network. You can name it anything. Maybe we can name it Epic Mentorship, and then you have the option to put in the password. Okay, you can put in any password. I usually put my password as password. Okay, so very easy to remember. And then you can generate, once you're done, you can generate the code, and this is your code for the Wi-Fi. All right, so you can do a number of things added to this. You can generate you can put different kind of styles. You can put in this little scan me at the bottom, or you can put it at the top. Whichever one you have, it's up to you, and you can use it. Right, I literally prefer this, to have this, and then you can change the shape and color of this as well. You can change the looks. You can change it to a different look. You can change to different kind of shapes that you want. And if you're satisfied with it, you can add coloration as well. You can put in different color, green or any color of your choice. You can go with this if you want. It all depends on you. And once you're done with the coloration, or you can manually just select any place to have your coloration. And once you're done, you click out, and then you can have a logo. You can add a logo to it. You can upload your own logo if you have, and if you don't have, you can usually use this scan me also if you want. Okay, you can have a scan me at the center. Because you have a scan me at the bottom, I usually don't put the scan me at the center. So once you're done with it, you can download in different kind of versions. You can go for EPS or SVG, but usually we go for JPEG. Once you click on it, and you don't even have to sign up, and it will just pop up. Okay, so QR code is being generated. It's generated over here. So once you click, you're going to see it, and you can print it and attach it to your Wi-Fi router or anywhere within your office, within your environment, so that your students, your lecturers, your friends can easily scan and get in the password. Once you scan this code, you are in that network. Another website that you can easily generate the same thing is this qfi.org. Okay, qfi.org also is a very fantastic website. You can easily use it. You can just name the network. You can call it Epic. And no need for any encryption. You can just put in the key, whatever you want, and then you click on generate, and you have a simple QR code for your Wi-Fi. And once you're done, you can export, or you can print. You can export using different kind of formats. Usually it goes for PNG, and you can print directly using any kind of format. You can print to PDF, you can print to your printer directly, and then you have it for yourself. Okay, the last and most important site where I usually use to generate my QR for my Wi-Fi is the QR code monkey, or qr/code/monkey.com, which is very active and very interesting because of the features that it has. Okay, there are different kind of options here that you can generate the codes for. You can do URL, you can do text, you can do email, you can store your phone numbers, you can store SMS, vCards and all. And then over here now we want to generate for Wi-Fi. So once you want to generate for Wi-Fi, or whichever one you want to generate, you just specify. But for Wi-Fi, we click on Wi-Fi over here, and then you specify the name over here. Okay, maybe you give it Epic, and then you can specify the password. right? Let's go with the normal password, no encryption, and then you can set in your colors. Once you set in a single color, it can be gradient color, you can use custom eye color, anyone. So once you click on this, you can be able to navigate to any location. Maybe you want to use a single color, you click, and then you can go to any location, and once you click on generate, it's going to generate that code using that property that you just specified. You can do gradient color. If you have to have two colors separated, you can do this, and you can specify any location for the second color. And once you're done, hit out and then click on generate, and it's going to have a gradient coloration. And then the background as well, if you want to put in background, you can put background as well if you want. Okay, it's up to you. You can add in logos. Usually you can add for any kind of social media you are dealing with. Maybe you want to put in the Twitter or Facebook or any Pinterest or any sign, but usually I go for this Wi-Fi sign, okay, this network sign, and I select it and it's there. You can upload your own image if you want. If you have any kind of logo that you want to upload, you can easily do that, and you can remove the background around the logo. This is very fantastic. And once you're done, you click on generate, and you're going to have it around. Okay, you can see this. You can play around with the sizing. This is 1000 by 1000 pixels. You can increase or decrease according to your liking. So this is 1000. I usually go with the 1000 by 1000. And once you're done, you can customize the design to any kind of design. You can change from this look to any other look, maybe to this one, and you generate, and you can see it changes quickly, right? You can put in different shape, maybe to this one, and once you click on generate, it's going to adjust immediately. And you can put eyeball shape, the shape of the eyeball, you can change it to any kind of shape that you want. Once you're done, you can click on download in PNG, which is usually my favorite. You can download in PNG, and you can easily attach it or put it on any of your document or print it out for your students to use it. Okay, once you're done, you can see it over here, and you can easily copy this. You can right click and just copy, and then you can put it on. You can print it directly from here. Okay, you can print it, send it to your printer, and then you can print easily, or you can put it on Word, or you can show in folder. You can go there directly and then copy it, and come into Word and just paste it here. You can resize it to any form, and then you can print and use it anywhere within your environment. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how to generate a QR code for your Wi-Fi. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more of our very useful videos. If you want to enjoy more of videos like this, please be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.